The graph editor is probably the most unique part of IPRally. It can be used for efficiently searching for prior art, even for complex technologies. Let's take an example. I'm interested in comfortable vehicle seats. I start defining the technology. There's a vehicle seat which has a backrest that has a cushion. In addition, there is a seat part that has some kind of ventilation system. The purpose of the ventilation system is for providing air vertically through the seat part. This is how I could do that. Okay, I'm happy with the graph. It defines my invention. I'm good to go with the search. Let's see what happens. Now the AI is comparing this technology with the 80 million pieces of prior art, which we have previously converted into the graph format. You see some relevant titles popping up. Let's see a little bit closer on the list. There's a vehicle seat. There's a vehicle seat, seems to be ventilated. Seems to be a ventilated vehicle seat, like here also. Okay, it seemed to go on the right track. Now I have analyzed the results and see, okay, this invention doesn't seem to be novel because here, for example, seems to be a prior art that satisfies all the criteria. I want to define the invention a little bit more closely. Let's add some features there. There is a control system that has a sensor and the purpose of the control system is for adjusting the ventilation system based on the sensor. Okay, I add a simple definition of a ventilation control system. When I'm happy again with the graph, then I'm good to go with another search. Let's collapse all the previous results and redo the search. Now these new features are taken into account by the AI. And we can take another look on the results. Readily, in the second result, we can see air-conditioned seat portion that has some kind of electronics system. So probably this is a pretty good match. Also here, cushioned and ventilated vehicle seat having some kind of a control system. This is how you can quickly check the novelty of your invention using our graph editor.